made it to Portugal. My first solo trip out of the country. This is the view. I just checked into the hotel. It's around 1 o'clock and I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna go find some food.
Spend a few hours on the reservoir. Never broke a bone, so I'm gonna try hard to prove you wrong. That I'm not who I used to be. I'm not living at 17. Let's go!
I just sat at the cafe journaling and reading. It was really nice. I came back and grabbed a sweater because it's a little bit chilly outside. Now I'm gonna go grab some food. I don't know if it's a late lunch or early dinner. Either way, for me, it's my dinner because I'm so tired and I'm gonna go to bed after this.
She's like a primrose. You're never taking me alive, so come close. And I know why you said it, cause I'm reading every word in your voice.
Ready for day 2 in Portugal. Let's go.
Maybe it's a good thing, got a good thing coming, it's a good thing. That we're not who we used to be. We're not who we used to be, and maybe that's a good thing. Sometimes I'm a loner. I wish that you lived closer. Maybe then I feel alright. Sometimes I get strung out trying to be myself. When you come close, I feel alive. Maybe that's a good thing.